goes with a bag in hand. Golden flakes of joy and love, the taste of the land. Crunching in the backseat, wind blowing in my hair. Laughter fills the summer air without a single care. Lay's chips, oh Lay's chips, so crispy and so light. You make the darkest days feel oh so bright. With every crunch I find my peace. In every bite my worries cease. Picnics in the park with friends and memories to make. Passing round the bag, for goodness sake. Barbecue or sour cream, each flavor has its charm. Among the trees and gentle breeze is comfort in my arms. Lay's chips, oh Lay's chips, so crispy and so light. You make the darkest days feel oh so bright. With every crunch I find my peace. In every bite my worries cease. Mountain peaks to ocean waves, you're a companion true. Golden rays and sunsets blaze, I'm always sharing you. A simple pleasure, treasure found in every single chip. With every bite, I take a flight on a joyful, tasty trip. Lay's chips, oh Lay's chips, so crispy and so light. You make the darkest days feel oh so bright. With every crunch I find my peace. In every bite my worries cease. So here's to the moments big and small, where Lay's chips play a part. With every crunch you bring a smile straight to my heart. Lay's chips, oh Lay's chips, forever I'll adore. Your simple joys, your golden touch, always leaving me wanting more.